Hi, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Carolyn. Today, we're going to make one of my family's favorite dishes, ground chicken with snap peas and tofu. Let's go! For this recipe, you will need ground chicken, tofu, snap peas, oyster sauce, and black pepper. First, wash the snap peas and break off any tough ends. Turn on the heat to medium-high. Then add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Next, add in some chopped garlic and give it a stir. Add the ground chicken to the pan, break it up into small pieces and brown it. Add about a tablespoon of oyster sauce or more to your liking. Add a shake of pepper. When the chicken is mostly cooked through, add in the snap peas and stir them into the chicken. Add a little salt for flavor. Then add in the diced tofu. Stir it in. You can taste it to see if you need more seasoning. Be careful, it's hot!